Benvenuti and welcome to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and today I'm with 15 body parts in Italian. So let's begin. Iniziamo. And if you all want to learn Italian faster, so make sure you subscribe my channel because I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. So let's move on to our first phrase. Our first phrase is head. Head in Italian is testa. Head, testa. Next phrase is eye. Eye, occhio. Occhio. Body parts are very easy in Italian, so you can remember them today if you want. Next one is ear, orecchio. Ear, orecchio. Repeat after me and focus on the pronunciation, please. Orecchio. Please see the difference between occhio and orecchio. Occhio is eye and orecchio is ear. Now let's move on to our next body part. This should be face part, okay? Nose, naso. Nose in Italian is naso. Repeat after me if you want. Nose, naso. Mouth, bocca. Mouth, bocca. Please try to remember them today because these are very short and simple ones, so you can remember them today. And if you are a new viewer to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful and short videos like this. And if you are a beginner to Italian, then you will love this channel. And my channel name is Language with Sarah. Now let's move on to our next phrase. This one is neck. Neck in Italian is collo. Collo. Neck, collo. Shoulder. Shoulder in Italian is spalla. Spalla. Shoulder, spalla. Shoulder in Italian is spalla. Repeat after me if you want. Spalla. And arm. Arm in Italian is braccio. Braccio. Arm, braccio. Repeat after me if you want. Braccio. Please focus on the pronunciation. Braccio. Arm, braccio. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is hand. Mano. Hand, mano. This one is very simple and short one. So please make sure you remember this today. Hand, mano, and the fingers. Finger in Italian is dito. Finger, dito. Now look at your hand. The whole hand is mano and the finger is dito. The one finger is dito. Next phrase is chest, petto. Chest in Italian is petto. Chest, petto. Repeat after me if you want. Chest, petto. And if you like the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. Next one is stomach. Stomach in Italian is stomaco. Stomaco. A little bit similar to stomach. Stomach in Italian is stomaco. Stomaco. Stomach. Stomaco. Leg. The whole leg in Italian is gamba. Gamba. Leg. Gamba. Gamba. Leg. If you like the video, then please click the like button. Now next phrase is knee. Knee in Italian is ginocchio. Ginocchio. Knee in Italian is ginocchio. Ginocchio in English is knee. Now the last phrase is foot. Foot in Italian is piede. Repeat after me if you want. Piede, piede, foot, piede. Now, I hope you all like this video. Then please click the like button and comment on this video. And thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.